I just drove home in this. I went out for a few things and I stopped to have a sandwich at Deli Box. And I set off thinking I'd have enough time to get home. And this started just at the top of the road. Wow. Yeah, but I made it. I have my waterproof jacket. My jeans got totally soaked because I didn't think it would be that bad, but it was that bad. Have a full face helmet on and my music, and made it home in one piece, which was good. Ah. Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! That was a hell of a thunderclap. Jazz is hiding under the bed because he doesn't like thunder. Oh my goodness, it's 2 o'clock in the morning and the thunder is intense. I've let the cats in. I let them in when the weather's this bad. Oh my goodness, there's a heck of a storm going on outside, and I've just rescued this little guy from my cats. They've very much been trying to kill you, haven't they? You're right. How bad is it? You're still alive. You're right. Don't know how badly injured it is. It's not looking very good, is it? Alright, darling. Okay, I'm going to find it a little box to sleep in, and we'll see if it's alive in the morning. If you're alive in the morning, we'll get you out of here. We'll smuggle you out so they don't see you. I think it's in shock at the moment, so honestly, it's horrifically scary out there, isn't it? We've got thunder, we've got lightning, a downpour of rain. Let me find you a little box. Okay, he's all snuggled up in this little box here. And if he's alive in the morning, I shall release him somewhere the cats can't find him. Meanwhile, I need to go and get some sleep. Okay, it's morning. I came back last night to put a little bit of water in the corner just in case. Morning. He's alive. He looked pretty badly injured last night, so. Hello. No, I think he's dead. Are you alive or dead? Oh, no, he's alive. Alive? He's alive, he's breathing. Hello? Oh, sorry. Sorry, it's okay. Okay. Well, he's got some water. I'll give him a little bit of food. Might never be able to wear that shirt again. I think he might have had a little wee. Okay, darling, I'm glad you survived the night. Let me get you some food. You must be a little bit hungry. Being terribly stereotypical, I brought you a little bit of bread and cheese, okay? Go, a little bit of bread and cheese. Just there if you're hungry. It is a minor apology for the fact that I have cats and that they do this to birds and mice and lizards, and I feel horribly guilty. So I just opened my bedroom door and I've got all of these little ones here waiting for Mouse. Oh dear me. I've just used my little tool for making pineapple rings. I don't think I've ever cut such a perfect pineapple before. Look at this, absolutely perfect rings. It's beautiful. I'm not going to use my feet to help here. Hey! That is absolutely perfect. Look at this. Could not be more perfect if we tried. My dad gave me that pineapple ring cutter years ago. It's been brilliant. And now I get a spoon and I scrape out the sides and eat that now because it's really good. There is nothing better than fresh, locally grown pineapple fresh out the fridge. Absolutely delightful. Love it. Have you ever seen more perfect pineapple rings? It's just incredible, isn't it? The kids on my street take great delight in kicking their balls into my garden. This one here is a traditional local football. They're either made from plastic bags like this one or from banana leaves. Some days it does get a bit much, but they're such polite kids, so I don't really mind. Okay, I'm just going to close the window. This is where I feed the cats. So if I close this window and I feed them in here, then they're trapped in this room for 5 minutes and I can go and deal with the mouse. Here we go, darlings. Enjoy. Right, little one, are you still alive? I hope so. There's a little moosey under here. Hello, little moosey. Hi, little moosey. Hello. Hello, small moosey. Hello, darling. Yeah, you look about ready to go home to me. Let's take you out. Doopy-doopy-doopy-doopy-doo, putting the mouse out. Doopy-doo-doo. Now this is awful because this is the gate to my neighbours, but I'm 90% certain this is where he would have come from yesterday, and I think it's the fastest route home. Right, little one, you better get ready to run. I can give you 20 minutes of grace to get out of here. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. That's it. No, come on. He's hiding. I know, but I need to take this back and you need to go home. Come on. Come on. Oh, little one. Come on. Look, he's eaten an entire hole through my shirt. I liked that shirt. Go home, little one. Have you gone? Where are you? You're in here. Go home. Go home. Well done. Go on. No, well done. Bye-bye. Don't come back. Oh my God. The little asshole. Oh well. Never mind. It's a memory. It's a memento of a very grateful little moose. Right, let's go wash it. I put some cheese in here and he's actually eaten quite a bit of it, so he's gone home on a full belly. Oh my goodness, guys, I've just woken up and I had the weirdest dream last night. I dreamt about a giant white mushroom. I'm not kidding you. There was this popping sound and I ran to the window to see what it was, and I looked outside and there was this big white mushroom that had just kind of flourished in the garden. And I've woken up this morning. I kid you not. Look at this. Isn't that incredible? That's just insane. I mean, we've had them in the garden before. I did a video ages back about trying to grow mushrooms and they're in the garden, but that is just crazy that I dreamt about it and then I woke up and there it was. Like, wow, love it. Check out this giant flying beetle. This is incredible. Okay. It's absolutely huge. I don't know where he's trying to go. Oh, he just smacked against the thing. Oh, he's gone. It's a massive beetle. Hi guys, I'm a little bit glowy at the moment because I'm just making dinner and it's hot. So I'll just show you what I'm making. I'm making sort of an old sort of homely Irish British dish, which is potatoes, bacon and cabbage. It's actually my first time really ever making this and it was really easy and I hope it's going to taste good. And I'm listening to the end of City of Last Chances by Adrian Tchaikovsky whilst I do. I think I've got about an hour left to go, which is probably about as long as this is going to take to finish. Okay, so here are the components. The first thing that I did was I fried some bacon to render out the fat. So I melted the fat down and took the bacon bits out. And then I fried the cabbage in the bacon fat with a lump of butter and tons of black pepper, lots of black pepper. And when the cabbage was done, I added the bacon back in and mixed it up. Now I'm about to sprinkle some cheese, some Rwandan Gouda over the top of it. And then I'm going to top it with some mashed potatoes, which again, I mashed up with some more butter. So let's put that all together. Okay, maybe a little bit more black pepper. You're supposed to put breadcrumbs on top, but I don't have any bread to put on top. So, yeah, I think that's going to be okay for me. Okay, so now we've popped it in the bucket oven. We'll pop the top on, pop the gas on. So it's a bit grimy. It's a very, very old hob, but it still works, so no need to change it. I'm going to leave that for about 20 minutes and see how it goes. With a bucket oven, you always know by smell when something is cooked. You get used to smelling when a cake or, you know, a jacket potato is finished rather than with the timer, because it's not exactly precise science. So because it's very hard to preheat a bucket oven, I tend to just put it on very, very low to begin with, and then I'll turn up the gas later on to cook it. After a couple of minutes, once it's warm, I'll turn up the gas. So it's sort of preheating on the job sort of thing. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice. Look at the steam coming off that. Oh, perfect. It would be nice with some breadcrumbs, but I don't have any, so that's fine. In the video that I watched on how to make this, the chef used caramelized onion gravy, and I think that would be outstanding, but also I'm feeling too lazy to caramelize any onions at the moment. I just can't be bothered. So I had some baked beans to use up, and they go really, really well with potato and cabbage and bacon, of course, because you have baked beans with an English breakfast. So yeah, this looks pretty good to me. Okay, my normal camera has run out of battery, so I'm a bit darker here. I can't figure out how to turn on the lighting, but let's give this a go. So it's cabbage with bacon and mashed potato, and let's give this a go. I'm sorry, it's not a very good picture, but let's try it. That is just amazing comfort food. That's wonderful. If it was the UK, I'd say that's brilliant winter food. But here it's brilliant rainy season food. That's so good. Try it with the beans. Could maybe have used a little bit more salt, but it's perfect. Butter, black pepper, mashed potato, cabbage, bacon, beans. Fabulous. That's a really nice evening meal.